Most men oscillate between extremes. They are either overly agreeable and passive, or they become emotionally distant and cold. You might follow the standard advice to be perfectly polite and supportive, yet find the spark never ignites. The conversation is pleasant, but the chemistry remains flat. There is a deep rift between the qualities people ask for logically and the behaviors that trigger an emotional response. What we say we want rarely matches what actually moves us. This creates the tension of opposites, a balance between security and space. It's the specific middle ground where attraction transitions from polite thought into instinctive reaction. To understand this, we have to look past simple requests and examine the actual dynamics that build emotional investment. It requires moving from surface-level politeness into a deeper understanding of push and pull behavior. Daily life for many women is a constant stream of decisions, deadlines, and high-stakes responsibilities. That mental load is continuous and often exhausting. When a man takes initiative and makes clear decisions, he offers a sense of relief. By providing a direction she can trust, he allows her to let go of the need to manage every detail. This shift lets her step away from managing the logistics of the moment and relax. The mental pressure is replaced by ease. In this space, she feels understood. Consistency over time builds the trust required to open up, knowing the environment is stable. This is the foundation. The pull creates an emotional sanctuary where she feels secure enough to let her guard down and engage on a deeper level. But safety alone can feel static. For a connection to remain active, it needs the opposing force of the push. This force comes from a man having his own priorities and a purpose that exists entirely outside of the relationship. It means his world doesn't revolve around her every request or text message. When your attention is always available, its impact softens. A graph of availability against value shows a sharp decline the more constantly accessible you are. Maintaining your own focus creates a natural gap, giving her room to invest effort into the connection. Setting boundaries and saying no when necessary shows you value your own time. It signals that you are grounded in your own life and that your presence is a choice, not a given. The push provides the necessary friction. It creates the mystery and the psychological distance that keeps her curious about who you are and what you're working toward. The most intense interest happens when these two forces meet, the stability of the pull and the challenge of the push. Playful teasing provides emotional variation, adding a layer of friction that builds heat without ever making her feel truly unsafe. A man who is calm yet capable and gentle yet firm presents a series of layers. This contrast prevents the connection from becoming predictable or one-dimensional. This creates a dynamic where she feels completely protected by your presence while still being excited by the independent life you project. These dynamics aren't about following a script or using calculated tricks to gain an advantage. They are descriptions of how respect and interest operate in the real world. They are the natural results of a man who respects himself enough to set boundaries, pursue his own goals, and lead with a clear sense of purpose. Because you cannot negotiate attraction through logic, any attempt to fake these qualities will eventually reveal itself as a performance. Genuine confidence is the only thing that sustains the tension. Mastering the push and pull is about building genuine self-respect while staying grounded in your own unique sense of purpose.